Alright, hear me out. This trike is absurd already, so we might as well just go like full send and just make it crazy. So I'm thinking about making some fenders over the back tires. I'm justifying it as a safety measure in case the sleeves pop off. In reality, it's just gonna look sick. So I went ahead. No, wrong button. Used my extra tire. Traced it. And then I drew a shape on the table that I think I want for my fender. It's gonna look ridiculous, probably doesn't make any sense on the table right now, but you'll see. So, some sheet metal, we're gonna put it on the brake, on the brake, bend it up, make a general shape. I don't really know how this is gonna work yet, because it's all in my head, but we're gonna find out together.
Painting.
Printed stencils out with my pink vinyl cutter. Listen, it was cheap.
It does the job.
A hell of a deal on it.
And it matches my pink content scooter.
Actually, it's got a lot of flake in it, so it's pretty glittery.
Oh, damn.
Just saying.
It's got flake on me.
Oop, I got the thing. I actually don't want to make it completely covered. I want to kind of leave it like that.
Mm.
Yeah, let's do that.
I mean, that's what they would do. They would just do it quick, right?
Yeah, some touch-ups on that.
How straight you can keep it. Yo! Yo, this thing fucking boogies, what? So
that was getting scary.
That's pretty.
It had more. I was
No,
out of runway.
I know.